How's it, everyone? Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today's Friday. We're here in Weltevredenpark Johannesburg. Quickly repair the gate motor here. Just want to quickly show you. That is what is left of the front gate wheel bearings. So we replaced the front wheel gate bearings. Quickly show you there. We've welded a bracket in there because these are special gate wheels, and because of that and the gate rail that was skew, we said to the client, let's do it once, we don't have to come back. That's how we do things. So we've welded all of them, all of the brackets, new brackets in. Support brackets at the back. Right. Let's quickly test it, see how it runs. Closing it. Also had to clean the DOS out, and it's common that some of the screws will break off. Quickly show you what's left of the two bottom screws, and they should be this length. So we've fitted 4 zips in it, and it will keep it in place. So if you want your gate motor, your Centurion D5 Evo, D5 Evo Smart, D6 Smart, D3, all of them repaired in this fashion, just give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. We're based here in Gauteng, in Heidelberg, so we drive quite a lot, but we're not scared of driving. Or give Amanda a call, 083 719 2250. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the new videos and the new website that's coming up, smartgates.co.za.